This is the boy who never stays in one spot.
Ready? Now.
Where'd he go? Hello? Okay, that's really weird. I wonder where he'll be next. Okay, where'd he go? Okay, that's a little strange. Okay. Okay, where will he go next?
I'll be in my boudoir for anybody who's wanting.
Okay, is the movie upstairs?
Oh, okay, well, where did he go?
Yeah.
Okay, little strange. Whoa, okay, where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Do you have any sore parts that need an ice pack, Mike?
Yeah.
What parts?
Okay, that kid is strange.
They say that.
That kid's really strange. Okay, little, where did he go?
Okay, well, the little holder thing.
Where did he go?
Do you want it strapped on you?
Yeah.
Actually, let me strap on it. Put it on where they are.
Okay. I don't know how he even got all the way over here, but a little strange. Where did he go? Oh, jeez. Okay, little strange. Oh God, where is he now? Yo, really move. He's fast. Where'd he go? Okay, there's the boy that he changes a lot of spots. I wonder where he'll go next. Oh, God, where'd he go? What are you doing? A little strange. I cannot figure out why that kid keeps me. What? Where is he? Okay, why did he move there? He's not even doing anything. He's just going to these strange spots and randomly, I don't know. What? Gosh. Where is he? Okay, why is he under the desk? It's so strange. Oh, God, where'd he go? Oh, where is he? He's just standing around, moving really randomly. Okay, how did that door even get open? Bozo. Oh God. How did he even get out of there?
Hello.
Hey.